Dear friends, brothers, sisters, members of the staff, parents, and students of St. Joseph's Indian institutions, on behalf of our provincial, Father Jerome Stanislas de Souza, and all the Jesuits of our headquarters, Loyola Mandir, and our Jesuit residents, Inigo Southern, I thank each one of you for joining us in this online Eucharistic celebration in honor of Saint Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Jesuits. I especially thank our dear Father Provincial for celebrating today's Eucharist for us. I thank our former students, alumni, Jude Brito of the 98 batch for helping us to streamline this Mass for the first time in this chapel with the able assistance of Father Olvin Vegas, Father Robert Rodriguez, and Father Rohan and our brothers scholastics. The members of the Society of Jesus, founded by Saint Ignatius of Loyola, are known as Jesuits, and they are known worldwide for their educational institutions, writings, and humanitarian works. Saint Ignatius is a key figure, not just for Jesuits, but also for the entire world, because he changed the way in which we think and pray. His two most significant contributions are, first, he authored a book called The Spiritual Exercises, and the second, he started a group of men called the Jesus Company or the Society of Jesus, who changed the world through their schools and educational system. Today, there are a large number of universities, colleges, secondary schools, social work centers, parishes, and technical training centers all over the world, run by about 17,000 Jesuits, of whom nearly 4,000 are in India and about 300 in Karnataka. There has been a growing realization among the leaders everywhere that if any country has to make rapid progress, it must first of all universalize education. Young people need to be helped to discover their unique personal potential and talents and enabled to develop them through suitable curricular and non-curricular activities. This has been always the basic principle of Ignatian pedagogy or methodology of education. During the past 5 centuries, the Jesuits have been faithfully following in the footsteps of their founder and serving the youth of over 100 countries in the world. If you ever go for a retreat or a prayer seminar with Jesuit fathers, they will give you practical exercises from the book of the Spiritual Exercises of Saint Ignatius. The purpose of these exercises is to guide you in making the right decisions in your life. All this is done in the words of the Jesuit motto, for the greater glory of God, and for the uplifting of men and women. In Jesuit system of education, learning is a means for going out into the field to innovate and experiment, to discover and invent. Today, as we celebrate the feast of this great giant of our history, what we are actually celebrating is the triumph of the human spirit of adventure, exploration, discovery, innovation, creativity, and invention. I greet each one of you today as a valued member of the Ignatian and Josephite family. I wish you good health, peace of mind, and immunity of body to be able to keep alive your faith and hope in the midst of the pandemic of COVID-19 and coronavirus. May St. Ignatius of Loyola be our inspiration, example, and model in our own personal striving for excellence. Happy feast to you, one and all. Thank you.